Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great week so far. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some hard ate barbecue. I ended up going on lunch break with some of my co-workers and I didn't eat it all. I just got regular sausage, brisket, about to break, and jalapeno bun for my brisket. I just want to be greedy and get some extra slices of meat. And I also have some beer and Canada Dry. This can go on 2 sandwiches, literally. It smells good. Jeez, every time I record a video, it's always the most craziest noises. And I also, I think I got either I got both hot barbecue sauce and just the regular barbecue sauce. This, when I went to, this Hard Eights barbecue, it's not the same one that I usually go to. The one I went to today is in the colony, and the one that I usually go to is in Capel, so it's somewhat different as far as the meat. Not as tender. I also got some onions. Yeah, I forgot that is it's a spicy barbecue. I need to go get some chips to wipe this stuff down. I'm back. I had to get some more chips and I got another bun just in case if I decide to eat the rest of the meat. But yeah. Doritos, the regular kind, nacho cheese, and the Cool Ranch. Right here. Today, excuse me, today was a very interesting day. Today at work. A lot of craziness at work from co-workers just fighting and stuff. But I'm seriously thinking about battling for something or doing something like unemployment. This is some somewhat hostile work environment. Yeah, this thing went crazy. Seems like it's something every week at that job. Oh crap. I still want to find something different, but it's like, damn. I didn't think it was gonna be this soon. Oh, excuse me. It's all right. The only thing basically I like is this one is the barbecue. Other than that, it's not good, really. I mean the barbecue sauce, not the barbecue. Brown. And other than having fights and crazy stuff happening at the job, it was basically I guess an outage in the system. But like majority of my shift, like every day there's this problem with the actual system. Every freaking day. It never fails. I don't know. What the heck? Oh yeah, and I like they jalapeno buns too. Yeah. Not really what I would, I'm not for sure what I would like to do. It's just start searching around. I might as well eat the rest of the meat then. Really? This is enough meat for like 3 sandwiches. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna use that meat for whatever. sausage was pretty good as well. It doesn't taste so well with the Hawaiian buns. I mean, you know. Ooh. Ooh. What the heck? Dang. I am full. Yeah. Whew. I didn't think it was gonna be so fulfilling. I guess. Yeah. I guess that's all I gotta say about this one. Whew. I think I can eat no more now. I'm tired. So I'm gonna save this for breakfast or whatever. I'm done. Okay. I'm done. I didn't think I was gonna get full off the crop. I am. But hopefully everybody has a great rest of your week, and be safe with whatever you're doing. I'm about to get in bed. That food to really fulfill it. weird tasting, but really fulfilling. Well, it's not necessarily weird. It's just like I prefer like the brisket to like a certain texture, and I didn't get that. It just kind of, can't explain it. Kind of tough, but yeah. Hopefully everybody has a great week. See you guys later.